like I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fan, yeah.
Hey, I'm Big so we're going to jump right in. The unit that I'll be rocking today is from Unice. They included a nice cute robe, and the unit came with a bunch of goodies: wig caps, scarves, lashes. And this is the unit. So this is Unice Inner Buckle Cute Straight 13x4 Lace Front Butterfly Haircut Wig. And as you guys can see, it has the lace, and I'm just going to go ahead and start by installing it. So what I'm going to do is brush my hairline completely back and out of the way, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply my wig cap. I'm going to turn my wig inside out so you guys can see what I'm doing, and I'm just going to spray the lace tinting spray all over the lace. You can bleach the knots, but this works really good for my skin tone, and yeah, so I just like to do it this way. But I just want to show you guys what I basically do, and I just spray it until everything's covered, and I'm going to spray some on my wig cap as well. I cut the lace off camera, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply the unit, and look at that. Y'all see this lace is bomb. I'm going to be applying it with some Got To Be Glue Free spray. So I'm just going to go ahead and get it situated, and then I'm just going to put this edgy band that they provided with the unit on, and I left that on for about 10 minutes. Now I'm just combing the hairline back now that everything's down and secure, and I'm just adding some mousse so I can see the hairline a little bit better. I did not pluck this unit. You can pluck it more if you like, but I didn't need to. Like I was saying before, this unit is a 13x4. It is 150 density. I have a low hairline, as you guys know, so I'm just laying down my baby hairs that are sticking out of the lace, and this is in 20 inches. Put the edge band back on so I don't rip up the lace while I'm flat ironing this, but I'm just bumping it up in the front straight back so that it can fall in my face nicely, as you guys can see, and I'm just going to do that on the other side. I'm going to go ahead and run through the unit a few times. Now this unit is supposed to give that butterfly effect cut, that 90s cut. It does, but it's kind of like you can't really see it. It's not that visible in this wig. I probably should have went through and cut it some more myself, but I've never done a butterfly cut, so I didn't want to mess it up. But that is why you guys aren't seeing it as much, because I feel like because the unit is longer, so they definitely should have cut some shorter layers up top, but y'all can kind of see it as I'm straightening it. I didn't add any concealer to the part or anything like that. As you guys can see, this hair is very silky, like it's so silky, but this is just what it's giving. So you can kind of see the cut, the layers here, and this is what the lace and scalp is giving. It looks really good. I really like it. This is just what it looks like with the middle part. This is how the unit came, so I'm rocking it in the middle part, even though y'all know I'm a side part girl. But it actually looks really good. Like, I really like this unit. Y'all know this hair is a little bit too silky for my liking, but it is definitely giving, and this is what it looks like from the back. It really does have a nice luster, and I feel like it looks realistic for the most part. Cute. Okay. Definitely giving one of the black Barbie dolls with this hair and this lipstick. Yes. So I decided to go ahead and try another style because I am a side part girl. Middle parts are cool here and there, but I'm just going to go ahead and part out a section at the very front. At the front of the lace, but on the side. And I'm going to like swoop that hair over to the side, but I'm just trying to get my part right. And I am going to part back a little bit further. So once I get all of the hair gathered that I'm going to use for my swoop, I'm going to clip that away, and I'm going to work on one side of my head at a time. So I am going to take some mousse, that way it tames like any of the flyaways and the hair stays in place. Also put some at the back, and this is also a good style. Like if you don't really know how to like lay lace, you can camouflage it with this swoop, for real, for real. So I'm just going to pull that back into a ponytail so I can go ahead and work on my swoop. And I'm going to take the clip out, and I'm also going to apply some mousse because obviously I have to retrain it to get it to go in that direction. So I'm going to apply some mousse, and the good thing about mousse, it doesn't make it hard or stiff or anything. I like to mention that you will get some shedding with this unit, but it's not bad at all. As you can see, I went between my brush and my comb to get my swoop right. So I'm just continuing to swoop the hair around, and then I'm literally going to take 2 bobby pins and I'm going to just pin it on the side, and the hair is going to fall over it so you will not see the pins. So basically, I'm just going to add a little bit more mousse. And like I said, y'all see the hair is falling over the pins so you don't see it. I'm just going to brush through the hair, you know, get the hair situated to my liking. I'm just going to go ahead and take some Got To Be Glue Free spray. And I'm just going to go ahead and spray my hair where the swoop is at so everything will stay in place. And I'm just going to smooth that around. I'm going to go ahead and take this scarf that they provided, and I'm going to use this to lay down my swoop. And I left this on for about 10 minutes. Did add a little bit of the slick stick to tame the flyaways so everything like stays into place. So that's what I'm just rubbing through the hair. Not too much because you don't want the hair to be like super oily. And this is the final result. Super cute. I really love this style. So I'm going to go ahead and rate this unit an A. It is very versatile and it is easy to work with, believe it or not, for a lace front. So that's a really dope, and the lace lays down super flat, so I love that, and it looks so realistic. So make sure you guys check out Unice Hair. Everything about them will be in the description box below. The unit that I'm rocking will also be in the description box below as well. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.